Okay. 27th question of change in profit sharing ratio. Balance sheet of X and Y who share profit and losses as 5:3 as at 1st April 2020. So balance sheet is given to you and 5:3 is their old ratio. So as I told you, whenever balance sheet is given, we have to look on special items, okay? Means accumulated profits and losses. So on liability side, we have general reserve and we have workman compensation reserve. And on asset side, we have goodwill and advertisement suspense. Children, please remember, some of you, I don't know how, you people take employment provident fund also special item, but it is not a special item, it is a normal liability. Okay. Let us read further. On the above date, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 3:5 and agreed upon the following. So this is their new ratio. Goodwill be valued at on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. It means we have to calculate goodwill as per average profit method. So we'll add on 7,500 plus 4,000 plus 6,500 divided by 3 and multiplied by 2 because 2 is our years of purchase. All right. And because goodwill is this goodwill which is given inside the books gets different treatment, and the goodwill which is appearing outside the books, it will go in gaining to sacrificing. All right. This one which is on the asset side, it will go in old ratio. All right. Machinery and stock be valued at 45,000 and 8,000 respectively. All right. Machinery is 45,000 now. Earlier it was 38,000. So it means there is increase in the value of machinery. It will be credited in revaluation account. You can see, right? Next is stock has become of 8,000. Earlier the stock was of 7,000. This is also increasing. So it will also go on credit side. So total has become 8,000. And because nothing was there on the debit side, so this is our profit. We'll write down to profit transfer to capital account, and X and Y will share profit of rupees 8,000 in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3. All right. Okay. Now let us proceed again. Claim on account of workman compensation is 6,000. I told you whenever WCR is there on liability side, claim, if it is mentioned in additional information, it will always disturb this 10,000. Disturb in the sense, now full 10,000 we cannot distribute among the partners. Claim is always for the future. All right. So 6,000 WCR with the amount of 6,000 will go inside the balance sheet, and 4,000 which is left out of it, 10,000 minus 6,000, 4,000 will be distributed among the partners. Now further it is written prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of new firm. All right. I told you whenever in question it is written revaluation account we have to prepare. It means profit and loss will go in old profit sharing ratio, and the same we have done. All right. And for this goodwill which is appearing outside the balance sheet, first of all we have to do old ratio minus new ratio. Now let's see what is the effect of that. Here it is. By doing old ratio minus new ratio, we have come to know that X is sacrificing and Y is gaining. All right. So our entry will become Y's capital account debited to X's capital for goodwill. All right. Here it is. And how do we adjust goodwill? See, the amount of goodwill after finding out through average profit method is 12,000. This is goodwill of the firm. Multiplied by 2 upon 8 will be the share of X, and multiplied by 2 upon 8 will be the share of Y. So here it is 3,000, 3,000. Now let us proceed towards capital account. The first item which goes here is buy balance brought down. And what do we post here? Exactly their capital. From where we are taking these capitals? Here it is 52,000 and 54,000. Now general reserve we will distribute among the partners because it is appearing on the debit side of balance sheet. When it will be distributed in partners capital, it will go on credit side, and 4,800 will be distributed among them in the ratio of 5:3. So you can see here 3,1,800 is their share according to their profit sharing ratio. Now the next item which was special item inside the balance sheet on liability side was WCR. The amount is 10,000. Because 10,000 is the total amount and the claim is of 6,000, 10,000 minus 6,000, 4,000 will be distributed among the partners. Here it is. 4,000 we have distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Now, on asset side, we saw goodwill is there and advertisement suspense is there. Goodwill, because it is appearing on credit side of balance sheet, When it will be distributed, it will go on debit side of partner's capital, all right. And 8,000 will be distributed in the ratio of 5:3. So 5,000 and 3,000 will be the shares of X and Y. You can see here. And same for advertisement suspense, because this is also a special item which should get special treatment, will be distributed on debit side of partner's capital because it was appearing on asset side of balance sheet. And here it is, 800 has been distributed in their profit sharing ratio, which is old one. Okay. Now, we have given treatment to all these things. All right, we have given treatment to goodwill also, but still it has to be appeared inside the partner's capital account. Our entry was Y's capital account debited to X's capital account rule. In order to post journal entry into the ledger is opposite on the opposite side. It means if Y's capital we are debiting here, it will be credited, okay? And the amount will go in X's column, same. If X capital we are crediting here, it will be debited in partner's capital and the amount will go in Y's column. All right. Now we have, wind up also revaluation account, and there was a profit which was appearing on debit side of revaluation. When it will transferred in partner's capital, it will go on opposite side, that is credit side. So we have mentioned here by revaluation profit, and the respective amount of profit has been posted in X's and Y's column. Now let us wind up partners capital. You add on credit side minus the debit side item. 60,000 is balance carried down of X, and similarly 54,000 is balance carried down of Y. I told you balance carried down will always become capital in new balance sheet. So you can see 60 and 54 we have mentioned as capital here in the revised balance sheet. All right. Now let us proceed towards rest of the liabilities and assets. See, capitals we have utilized from here. General reserve we have already distributed. Sundry creditors, there was no change or realized value of sundry creditors in additional information, so it will go as it is. Employee provident fund will also go as it is. WCR we have already distributed, so leave it. So you can see 5 and 1,000 we must have posted on the liability side of revised balance sheet. See, here it is. All right. Now, the next, let us move towards assets. Goodwill, we have already distributed. Machinery, now the actual value of machinery was 45,000, so it will go by 45,000. Furniture, as it is, it will go. Debtors, as it is, it will go. Stock, it has become of 8,000, so stock will go by 8,000 now. Bank, as it is, it will go. And advertisement suspense, we have already distributed. Okay. Now the simple objective is to mention here the total, and it should tally automatically. If your balance sheet tally automatically, it means your all the postings are correct. Any doubt in any posting or any transaction of this question? Yes. Any doubt? Yes, children.
No, ma'am.
Yes. The question is Ram, Mohan, Sohan, and Hari, four partners are there in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. This is their whole ratio. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet was as follows. All right. Now in the balance sheet, workmen compensation reserve is a special item on liability side, and no special item is there on asset side. From the above date, the partners decided to share future profits in the ratio of 1:2:3:4. This is their new ratio. For the purpose, goodwill of the firm was valued at 1,80,000, and the goodwill is appearing outside the balance sheet. It means it will go in gaining to sacrificing ratio. It means for this amount of goodwill, in order to adjust 1,80,000, we have to do old ratio minus new ratio. All right. The partners also agreed for the following. The claim for WCR has been estimated at 150. Again, there is a claim, and claim always disturbs WCR. Claim is more and the amount of WCR is less, children. It means full WCR will be adjusted in claim, and none of the amount out of 120 will be distributed among the partners. But 30,000 of claim, which is extra, will go in revaluation. Children, WCR is always our liability. It means our liability is increasing by 30,000 of rupees. So it will go on debit side of revaluation. All right. Adjust the capitals of partners according to new profit sharing ratio by opening partners current account. Now this point is very, 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 very important. And first time it has come in your question. Okay. Adjustment of capital. It was deleted in last session, but no deletion is there in this session. All right. So now you have to understand how to adjust the capitals of the partners. See, it is written, language is very important. Again, I'll read. It is written, adjust the capitals of the partners. All right. According to new profit sharing ratio. It means when we will find out their balance carried down, that should be in this ratio by opening partner's current account, and whatever balance will get, that balance will go in partner's current account. All right. Now further it is written, prepare revaluation account. Whenever it is written prepare revaluation account, amount of profit or loss on of revaluation will always go in old ratio. All right. Partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Now we have 30,000 on debit side, nothing is there on the credit side, so there's a loss. We'll write on buy loss transfer to capital account, and 30,000 will be distributed among all the partners in the ratio of 4 ratio 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. All right. Now let us proceed towards partners capital. So first of all, we have done old ratio minus new ratio because it was required in order to adjust the goodwill. All right. So after doing this, we have come to know that Ram is sacrificing, Mohan is also sacrificing, Sohan is gaining, and Hari is gaining. So our entry for goodwill will be Hari's capital account debited, Sohan's capital account debited to Ram's capital to Mohan's capital. This will be our entry for goodwill. All right. Now the amount of goodwill was 180. 180 multiplied by 3 by 10 is the share of Ram. Similarly, into 1 by 10 will be the share of Mohan. 1 by 10 into the share will be the share of Sohan, and 3 by 10 will be the share of Hari. Now, because we are debiting Sohan and Hari in our entry, so it means in partners capital, these two partners will be credited. You can see we have written here by Sohan and Hari, and the amount will go in Ram and Mohan according to their share. All right. Similarly, because we are crediting Ram and Mohan in our journal entry, we are crediting them. So these will be debited here. You can see here it is. And the amount will go in Sohan and Hari according to their respective share. All right. So we have already adjusted. Now see, loss of revaluation, because it is appearing on credit side of revaluation, it will be debited in partner's capital account, always reversed effect. Okay. WCR will not go anywhere, will not go anywhere. Remember. Now, the point is how to adjust capital. Children, what will you do is, we posted balance brought down, you know, the first item which we have to post always in partners capital, which is their capital itself. 4 lakh, 450, 250 and 2 lakh we posted here. And then we posted this, Sohan and Hari. You add on 4,54,000 minus 12,000 and minus nothing is there, minus 12,000. Whatever will be your capital you have mentioned here. See, here it is, 13 lakh. Okay, here it is. Just wait. What will you do is, actually here it is done in a different manner. Let us do by ourselves. Okay, I'll do on the whiteboard. Just wait. I will teach you in a simple manner. Actually, I don't want to teach you in that way. So here it is, our partner's capital. Because we have 4 partners, so exactly 4 columns are required on both the sides. 5 rather, because one column will be of particulars also, right? Okay, so first of all, this is partners capital account. I will write down here. Like this. And then the next was, there was a loss of revaluation. So I will write down to revaluation, and I will post here their loss. 12,000, 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. 12,000, 9,000, 6,000 3,000. Then I have to post their goodwill, and the entry was Sohan's account debited, Hari's account debited, to Ram's, to Mohan's. Okay, so first of all, I will write down on the credit side by Sohan and Hari 54,000 and 18,000. Okay, by Sohan and Hari 54,000 and 18,000, but not in the columns of Sohan and Hari, in the columns of Ram and Mohan. And on the opposite side, I will write down to Ram and Mohan. Okay, and now the amount will go in Sohan's and Hari's column, and it is 18,000 and 54,000. 18,000 and 54,000. Now see what we will do. We'll mark a line here. I'll teach you in a different manner, and this is very, very easy. Let it be like this. And here line is not there, okay? This line is not there in the particulars column. Okay. Now I will mention here to balance carried down. All right. Now what will be carried down of Ram? It is 4,54,000 minus 12,000. How much it is? 4,42,000. Now similarly we'll find of Mohan. It is 4,68,000 minus 9,000. So this is 4,59,000. Now same for Sohan we will do 2,50,000 minus 6,000 minus 18,000. So it is 2,26,000, and then here 2 lakh minus 54,000 and minus 3,000. So this is 1,43,000. First of all, we'll find out this balance carried on, but this balance carried on is not actual balance carried on actually, because we still have to adjust the capitals. Okay, so we'll brought down here balance brought down. Okay, and same amounts will mention here 4,42,000, then we have 4,59,000, then we have 2,26,000, and then 1,43,000. Now I'm going to make working notes somewhere here. We will add on total capital now according to our balance carried down. Okay, and what will be total capital? The sum of all the balance brought downs which we have done now. 4,42,000 plus 4,49,000 plus 2,26,000 plus 1,43,000. It is 12,70,000. This is our total capital. Now this total capital we will distribute among them in their new profit sharing ratio, which is 1:2:3:4. So how much Ram will get? Divided by 10. So 1,27,000. I will write down here to balance carried down. Okay, and Ram will get 12,70,000 into 1/10. So it is 1,27,000. Now how much Mohan will get? 12,70,000 into, yes, 2 divided by 10. So it is 2,54,000. Okay, similarly for Sohan, we will find out 12,70,000 into 3 divided by 10. So 3,81,000, and rest for Hari. So again same 2,70,000 into 4 divided by 10. So this is 5,08,000. I hope this is clear to you now. Yes. Now we will put on balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will put on balance in current account. We can see that here in case of Ram, the figure is more and here it is less. So we will write down to current account like this, and balance will go here. So what is our balance? 4,42,000 minus 1,27,000. So it is 3,15,000 here. Okay. Now let us check of Mohan. Mohan, here we have 4,49,000, here we have 2,54,000. So his current account balance will also come over here. It is 4,59,000 minus 2,54,000. So this is 2,05,000. Okay. Now let us check of Sohan. Sohan has more balance here and less balance here. So here it will go current account balance. So we'll write on here buy current account, and now let us see how much balance will go. 3,81,000 minus 2,26,000. So this is 1,55,000. And here again the balance here is more and here is less, so balance will go here. So it is 5,08,000 minus 1,43,000. So this is 3,65,000. So in this way we will wind up. Is it clear now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now close it with double line and with the the total of the amount here like this. So here we will get 4,42,000. This is our total. Here we will get 4,59,000. Here we will get 3,81,000, and here we will get 508,000, and same here. So I hope now this is clear to you and there is no doubt. This is an easy way actually to adjust the capital and to show the adjustment of capital. Okay. The solution which I was showing to you on PDF was little bit tough. So here it is. And now this balance carried on will become their capital in capital accounts. Remember. And current accounts which we have opened. Please remember children, current account balances which are falling on the debit side of partners capital will go on the liability side. It means Ram's current and Mohan's current will go on the liability side, and Sohan's current and Hari's current with the respective amount will go on asset side. Now I will show you how to show it in the balance sheet. Please be careful about this. Okay. Now you can see Hari's and Sohan's we are showing here. Mohan's and Ram's current account balances we are showing here. These are the capital balances, balance carried on which we got there. And WCR claim is always for the future, I told you. So 1,50,000 was written in working notes or the additional information here, see. So that will go in the on the liability side. And moreover, fixed assets and current assets, there was no realization value or the revised value given in additional information. So these two will go as it is. You can see, and your balance sheet will tell. Any doubt in this question now? Yes. Any doubt to anybody?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh, and Ganesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:3:3. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet is as follows. All right, and WCR is a special item. From the above date, the partner decided to share future profits equally. It means their new ratio is 1:1:1:1. Okay. For this purpose, goodwill of the firm was valued at 90,000. Again, goodwill is appearing outside the balance sheet. It will go in gaining to sacrificing. It means we have to do old ratio minus new ratio. It was also agreed that claim against workmen compensation will be estimated at 1 lakh, which is more than your WCR. It means entire WCR will be adjusted here. Nothing will be distributed as usual in the previous question we have done, and 25,000 will go in your revaluation account. You can see on the debit side, okay, because our liability is increasing. Fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. Asset is depreciating, will go on the debit side. See, here it is. Then the capitals of the partners will be adjusted according to new profit sharing ratio. So the same concept is there. For this, necessary cash will be brought or paid in by the partners as the case may be. This is the only difference actually when we will adjust capital according to the previous question. Children, in previous question, we kept balance in current account. Now we will keep balance in cash account. This is the only difference. Instead of current, we will write on cash. Okay, this is the only difference. Now prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of reconstituted firm. All right. So revaluation account we already prepared. There's a loss, and loss will be distributed among the partners in old ratio. So this is their share. Okay. We will do old minus new because of goodwill, and we come to know that Suresh is gaining, Ramesh is gaining, Mahesh is sacrificing, Ganesh is also sacrificing. Our entry will become Suresh account debited, Ramesh account debited to Mahesh and to Ganesh. Because we are debiting Suresh and Ramesh, so these will be credited in partners capital account. You can see. And this is their respective share. And on the opposite side, we'll write down to Mahesh and Ganesh, and the amount will go in Suresh and Ramesh. Okay? And now, when we have wound up this revaluation, we got a loss which is appearing on the credit side of it. It means it will go on the debit side of partners capital. Here it is, the loss. All right. Now, balance brought down we have kept over here, which is their capitals. You can see 1 lakh, 150, 2 lakh and 250, and here it is. Okay. Now after that, again you will do the same thing. You'll find out the balance carried down. That balance carried down, you make it brought down, and then the balance will go in cash account. So after that, we are getting cash account balance here for Suresh and Ramesh, and cash account balance here for Mahesh and Ganesh. Okay. Now you have to be very careful when you will go for it. All right. You can see that 25250 amount is there in Mahesh column and 75250 here. So this 25250 will be cancelled out with this, and this 75250 will cancel out with this, and cash will not go anywhere on the asset side, because the same amount we got on the debit side also, on the credit side also. So automatically these will be adjusted and nothing was left in cash account. Okay. Now let us go towards balance sheet. Balance carried down, whatever finally you will get after the adjustment of capital in their new profit sharing ratio will be posted here. Children, if you read question carefully, new profit sharing ratio was equal. That's why you can see that their capital, the amount of capital is also equal, because we have adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio. So here it is. Okay. There was no change in creditors. Creditors will go as it is. You can see 1 lakh 70. And WCR 75,000 became 0. And this claim is always for the future. For the future means now WCR will go inside the balance sheet with 1 lakh rupees. You can see here it is. Now let us proceed towards fixed asset. Fixed assets were depreciated by 10%. So 6 lakh minus 60,000. Now fixed assets will go by 5 lakh 40,000. Okay. And there was no change on current assets. So current assets will go as it is. And your balance sheet will tally. Any doubt in this question now? Please, partners capital you prepare according to the instructions which I gave in my previous question. Okay. In the same manner you prepare, you will get same balance and same balance carried out. Is it clear now? Yes. Children, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.